How to fix Samsung ES80 camera not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to fix a Samsung ES80 digital camera that won't turn it on, has a stuck lens, or isn't functioning properly. Whether it's a power issue, a lens problem, or something else, this step-by-step guide will help you get your camera back in working order. Step 1. Check the battery. Remove the battery and inspect it for any signs of damage. Ensure the battery is fully charged using the original charger. If possible, test with a new battery. Step 2. Inspect the memory card. Remove the ESD card and try powering on the camera without it. Test with a different SD card to see if the issue persists. Consider formatting SD card using a computer before restarting. 3. Reset the camera settings. Navigate to Menu, Settings and Reset. This will restore factory settings and may resolve firmware related issues. Step 4. Address lens issues. If the lens is stuck or won't extend, gently clean around the lens with a soft brush. Power on the camera while gently assisting the lens movement. Lightly tap the camera on your palm to help free any internal jams. Test the display. If the camera power is on but the screen remains black, check for any visible damage to the LCD. Try taking a photo and transferring to a computer to verify if the camera is capturing images. Step 6. Connect to a computer. Use a USB cable to connect the camera to a PC. If the computer recognizes the camera, it indicates that the internal hardware is functioning. If no one of the above steps resolve the issue, consider a professional technician. And that's how you can fix your Samsung ES80 camera. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.